Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will talk about mid function, and their usage will be when, for example, you have limited space on some of your paper, on reports basically, and you wanna, for example, grab only a couple of characters from somewhere in element, in specific column. Let me explain. If, for example, you wanna extract only GOL from this element, you need to type mid here and then column name, and then first character up to where? Up to third character. Okay, so as I said, one of the examples I can think of is when you have limited printing capabilities, or when you are printing on a piece of paper that you can stick on some box, so you're saving yourself a little bit of space, something like that. I don't know. So let's actually go with the function. Select mid. And let's go with the product column. We'll grab first character up to third character as, let's say, first 3 reports from stores, and I think that will work. So there you go. Now, of course, you can use any other function, column here, for example, city. Okay. Maybe you want to use this into some kind of half obscure security approach when some of your workers know what is going on only based on a couple of characters. I don't know. So let's actually try that with cities, but we will grab from 2 to 3 in this column. Right, so select mid, what was the name of column? City. From 2 to 4, let's say, as obscure. I don't know how to even type this in English, but who cares? From stores. And there you go. So maybe, I don't know, if you have some kind of weird organization where your co-workers like read each other's mind, and when they see a couple of characters, then you know they know what's going on. I don't know. If you have definitely example of this into practice, except printing on a piece of paper for preserving a little bit of space, please let me know in the comment section below, because I really want to know. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial. Oh wait, I actually get that idea. Well, this is useful when you know these small paper, like a roll of paper on a point of sales. Well, maybe that's useful there. Yeah, definitely. Anyway, if you can think about some other example, please let me know, and I'm gonna shut up. See you next tutorial.